In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place and receive calls in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're brand new or just need a refresher, this walkthrough keeps things simple and clear so you can connect with coworkers without any hassle. We'll use the web version, and everything I say also makes sense if you prefer the desktop app. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, go to the Microsoft Teams website. If you're not signed in yet, enter your account credentials and complete any verification your organization requires. After a moment, you'll land on the Teams dashboard, which is your home base for chats, meetings, and calls. On the left side, look for the chat section. This is where most one-on-one and group conversations live, and it's a quick place to start a call with someone you already message. Click Chat to open it. Inside Chat, you'll see a list of your recent conversations. You can scroll to find the person you want to reach, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific contact. Just type their name, select the result, and the conversation thread will open. In the upper right corner of the chat window, you'll notice a row of icons. Find the phone icon. This starts an audio call. Click it to begin calling your contact. If you're on Teams in a browser for the first time, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone and possibly your camera. This is normal. When that prompt appears, click Allow. Giving permission ensures your audio works, and if you ever switch to video, your camera will be available too. Your call will start dialing right away, and once connected, you can speak normally. For the best experience, use a headset or earbuds to reduce echo, and make sure your internet connection is stable. If the other person can't hear you, check that your microphone isn't muted and that the correct device is selected in the call's device settings. That's all there is to placing a call in Teams. As you practice, it'll feel second nature and you'll move faster between chats and calls. And when someone calls you, you'll see an incoming notification on screen so you can pick up right away without leaving the app. If this tutorial helped, give it a like, subscribe for more quick guides, and tap the bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching and happy calling in Microsoft Teams.